Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chester. So today I'm going to do some unboxing. Yeah. Okay, so all along I've been using my GoPro Hero 10, which is what I'm filming here now. So it's been quite a few years. I think the last 3 years, I think. Can't remember, it's been so long. Before that I was using the GoPro Hero 5. Some of you may have watched my videos using the GoPro Hero 5. I think you can see it over here right now. After I've been using the GoPro Hero 5, I realized that I think it's been time to upgrade the camera. So it has been almost 5 generations of cameras before I upgraded my camera. And so yeah, so I changed to the GoPro Hero 10, and wow, I mean it changed my life a lot. So yeah, I mean there's a lot of differences between the Hero 5 and Hero 10. Basically the Hero 10 fits a lot more for me. Yes, 5.3K. Yes, a lot of other functions that I think you can look around in some of the camera reviews. So bear with me, this is not a GoPro review. So what you're watching right here now is it's being filmed on the GoPro Hero 10. So yeah, I realized that I need the new camera, which is the 360. So this comes into play. So yeah, this is a very popular camera. I think the Insta360 X4. So it's an 8K 360 action cam. So it records. So it records 360. So what this camera helps me a lot is actually what I can do is actually what they call it's actually you film first and frame it later. So yeah, it's going to help me a lot in lifting projects, because most of the time I can't really actually frame the camera here and there, here, this, up and down. So many times actually I lost my footage because the camera was facing the wrong way. So yeah, that's the last thing you want as a vlogger or as a filmmaker or whatever it is. Your camera is actually pointing the other way when actually your subject is here. So you can imagine the camera is facing the other way and you get nothing. Then you actually spend so much effort, you spend hours filming the video, and then you realize, oh man, the video is gone. So yeah. Oh, I apologize that if actually the sound is a little bit bad, because I'm actually using the onboard microphone for the GoPro, because actually recently I've been so busy, I don't really have time to do all the setup for the microphone and things like that. But hopefully I will improve, so bear with me for a while. So yeah, let's get to this. Okay, so let's start unboxing this. Oops, sorry. Too excited. Yeah, let's unbox. So yeah, cut it open. There you go. It's not Christmas, what I'm so excited about. But new camera means new footage for you guys. So what kind of camera angles do you want to get? Let me know in the comments. Yeah. Okay, so we are done. Let's open this. Okay, let's slide this out. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. The Insta360 X4. I believe this is the 4th generation. I'm not too sure. I have not done any research before. Let me know in the comments if I made any errors. But yeah, I believe this is the 4th generation. I think so. I Okay, this is actually my first 360 camera. So yeah, I'm not very familiar with how it's going to use. All along I've been using the GoPro for I think almost a decade, since 10 over years ago. So yeah, so this is my first 360 camera. So yeah, watch out for new contents using this camera. So yeah, let me know what kind of angles do you want to watch. Do you want me to fix it on a crane hook as it goes up, so you can see the 360 degree things, and or do you want me to mount on the crane itself, on the cabin itself, so you can see the front, you can see the back of the crane, you can see whatever you can see. So yeah, how about inside the cabin? Alright, you know, inside crane cabin you have the levers, things like that. You can see through you can see through the glass window on the left, on the right, as well as the ceiling. What do you think? Yeah, let me know in the comments. Yeah. So yeah, I got this new baby. So hopefully one day I'm able to create contents. Definitely I will. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back into the box. Oh yeah, actually, hold on. Okay, so what else are there things inside the box? So I think we have things like, oh, I think nothing. Okay, so yeah, it's good. Okay, so what is this? I think it's the accessories pack. It says, oh no, yeah, I believe that's accessories pack. So okay, that's a silicone pack. Okay, what else inside? Okay, let's have a look. I believe this is the old casing. Okay, so yep, that's a soft casing. Alright, so if you notice that the difference between the 360, the Insta360 and the GoPro is, I'm not sure if you can see this, but yeah, you can see this camera lens is actually bulging out. Alright, and this is that, I'm not sure, is this a fisheye lens or what? I'm not too sure. I'm not a professional gear reviewer, so I'm actually a crane vlogger and whatever you can call me, a crane geek or I don't know. So yeah, so what I do notice is you have this lens popping out like that, so you have to be really careful. And you know, my line of work is very rough. We have, I work with sand, stone, whatever you could, steel, metal, or whatever you can call it. So the last thing you want is this thing falls flat on the ground. There goes the lens. So this pouch is going to be very handy for me. And let's have a look. What else are there inside? Oh, I think that's the manual. Yep, that's the manual. I think that's about it. Okay. Oops. Couldn't put this in. Hold on a second. Now, let's put it the other way. You know, these are things I hate. When I take it out and still gonna put it back. Alright. So, oh. This is a standard lens guard. See, I bought the a lens guard. I bought an additional lens guard. Hold on. So this is a standard lens guard. This is premium lens guard. So I'm not too sure what are the differences. So I believe this is just a normal one. Okay, it says here on the premium lens guard, it says that it's a scratch resistant tempered glass. I'm not too sure if this standard one is a scratch resistant. So yeah, I'm not too sure really. I can't really tell. So yeah, I bought this one as well. If I remember correctly, I saw this on TikTok that someone actually recommended this, which is scratch resistant, and it's really going to help to cover and protect my lens from all this. You can see this actually. You can see this. You see the the design of the box. There's a stone, there's sand, things like that. So it's perfect. It's a perfect. I would say it's a perfect protection for my kind of work environment. So yeah, hope this helps. Oh, I'm not gonna do this unboxing today. There's no need to unbox this. It's just a lens. Okay. So yeah, let's put everything back, and I'm gonna do the next video for my next unboxing. Alright, on a side note, my close friends will actually know that actually I'm an avid motorcyclist. So yeah, I do love traveling around on a motorcycle. So but sadly, for those folks who are living in Singapore, Malaysia, I've not ridden to Malaysia before, but I'm gonna start soon. So at the back of this box of this Insta360 there's this motorcycle thing, right? So I'm planning to do some motorcycle vlogging as well when I do travel in future. So fellow friends, if I do start another channel of motorcycling vlogging, I don't know, will you be interested to watch? Let me know in the comments, yeah? Help me out. So your support will be greatly appreciated. So yeah. Alright. Then on to the next unboxing. Okay, so I mentioned earlier that I've been using my GoPro Hero 10 for a while. So I decided that actually why not improve its performance. So the main complaint of using a GoPro is I find that the audio is actually very poor, especially on the onboard microphone. I find it very muted. So yeah, I apologize. Again, I apologize that if this video currently is a little poor. The audio is a little bit poor because I don't really need to have time to set up my microphone, things like that. Otherwise, I won't be able to do this video. So yeah, so this is the GoPro Media Mod. Alright, it comes with a camera. Alright, with I think I can't remember the name. It's basically a windshield. It's a windshield against wind noises for the microphone. It's going to improve the audio quality of the camera by, I think it's quite significant in terms of the audio quality. So yeah, I'm going to try this. So in future videos, I'll be using the GoPro Hero 10 to record these things like this. It's a lot easier to set up compared to the Canon R6 Mark II, which I've been using. Because the camera is a lot bigger. I need a bigger tripod, things like that. I need to put on a microphone. It's quite tedious to set up because I do not have a studio at home. You can see I'm actually filming right in the middle of a living hall. So yeah, it's a main complaint of people who are staying in Singapore. You don't have space, especially when I have 2 kids at home. So yeah. Okay. So what does the GoPro Media Mod does? So you may ask. Basically, what I mentioned earlier is it improves the audio around here, and we can add on accessories such as lights, alright, microphone, screens, whatever, what else. So yeah, it comes with 2 cold shoe mounts, and it's a tough weather resistant or whatever. So yeah, let's open this. Okay. Alright. Oh, before I forgot, I wish to do a shout out to Nansing. So yeah, he's from TK Photo. For those people, for those viewers who are from Singapore, I'm sure you know what TK Photo is. Okay, this content is not sponsored by them. All this by money, my money, right? So yeah, I mean, if you wish to buy all these gears, if you are from Singapore or even friends from countries like Malaysia, Indonesia, yeah, come to the store for TK Photo. They have a lot of accessories. They have so all this is bought from them. Yeah, their staff are very friendly. They have a lot of things to watch for, to look out for. So yeah, pay them a visit if you can. So yeah, remember, I'm not sponsored by them. This is all by my own money, but I love their service. So yeah, thumbs up. Okay, what else we have inside here? Okay, what is this? Oh, warranty card. Okay. So this little thing is a windshield mic. Windshield for the mic. Sorry. Yeah. Important stuff. Okay. So this is it. Look at that. It's basically a casing that comes with this directional mic, right? It improves it. I believe it's going to improve the audio a lot. So watch out for our videos in future. I'm going to do some recordings using this comparison. I'm going to do a comparison. Okay. So do you want to watch a comparison video between a standard GoPro Hero 10 or a Hero 10 with this setup? Just to do a side-by-side comparison. Do you want to know? Let me know in the comments, alright? So yeah, so this thing comes with this mic. That's the important thing that I need. And I'm not too sure you can see there's a USB-C thing inside here. It plugs right into the USB-C input onto the camera. And if I'm not wrong, this is quite a okay. So if I'm not wrong, it's quite a tedious process to actually replace the battery with this thing on. So you can see actually this part of the thing replaces the GoPro battery door. So it's going to be a challenge to replace the battery when the battery runs out. So I'm going to try this in another day, not today. Right now it's going to be 1 AM. I have work at 6 AM tomorrow, so yeah. I don't really have much time to sleep. So yeah, it's going to be I know it's a little bit rushed. And it's not really a proper unboxing video, I hope. But I really hope that you guys can enjoy this kind of content. And yeah, it's actually my first unboxing video I've done in my life. So yeah. But honestly, it's quite fun to do this kind of things. Like, I mean, in the past, if you notice, I don't really place myself in front of the camera. So yeah, all along I've been quite a shy guy. So I don't really enjoy putting myself in front of the camera, but recently I find quite a bit of joy. So that's all for today. So yeah. So let me know in the comments. So do you want to watch more videos using this camera and my GoPro Hero 10 with this setup? These two. Let me know in the comments. So thanks for watching today. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this simple video, this simple unboxing video done today. So yeah, I'm Chester. Thank you for watching. Please do like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos so more people can know about me, and I'm able to create more contents like this in the future. So yeah, thanks for your support. Alright, see you again.